What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate your time. Thanks for being here. We're going to be looking at a options recap. We're going to be talking about reversal trading, and we're going to be looking at some picks for tomorrow. So let me just check the audio. Audio is good to go. Here we go. We got a donation already. We got a super sticker, $1.99 from JJ with the yum. Thank you very much, brother. That was a fast one. I don't know if I really deserve that so far. I didn't really even say anything, but I appreciate it nonetheless. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go into the Twitter and we are going to entice some of our friends to come over here. We're going to hit it with a quote tweet and we're going to say, live now, come for free gummy bears. See if we can get this out there. All right. So hopefully that we will entice some people to come there. So while we're waiting for everyone to join, please let me know where you guys are tuning in from tonight. Just post in the chat where you're tuning in from, where you're checking out, and then we're gonna start digging right into the picks and the plays and doing the recaps and all that. All right. So we have a few gummy bear snipers here. Andrea right here. Welcome back, Andrea. Good to see you. Thanks for being here. Andrea from Houston, JJ from New York, Shri from Boston. I am Kazi from OKC, Tai Jiao Ji from Singapore, Ramon from Vancouver, Shimson from Portland, and Sovitia from Cambodia. Karen Jarvis from Australia, Samip from Houston, and Ruby from Houston as well. Let's do one more. And then we have Sylvia from Miami, Florida. Awesome. All right. So thanks for coming. I know a lot of people are joining in now. So let me just make sure that I tweeted this correctly. All right. So we got the gummy bear trick. My brother's already posting some more pics. So let's start off here. So the highlight of today for me was pretty much the Robinhood trade, and I'm gonna start from the daily chart to analyze this again and discuss. So let me just move my stuff over a little bit. So we're gonna hit the market replay, and we talked about this one yesterday. I was very excited about this one because we had a double inside bar pattern, right? So essentially we had the IPO, we had a big run, and then we started consolidating, and we could clearly see it with a double inside bar pattern. So because we had that double inside bar pattern, I was very interested in playing this name today, Hood, because I realized that we're likely to either break the high or the low of this day, of yesterday, right? So that's what really intrigued me to take a play on Hood today. So what do you guys think is happening to option premiums as we consolidate and have a double inside bar pattern? So are option premiums increasing or decaying? What do you guys think? As we're decaying, as we're consolidating right here, what do you guys think is happening to option premiums? Because first, if we look 2 days before this consolidation, we had a big expansion. So when we have expansion right here, the premium price is going to be very expensive. But then we go sideways for 3 days. And then by the third day right here, the premiums are going to be very cheap, right? So that was my plan going into today. And then we go to the 5 minute chart right here. And what we have to do is we have to read the price action at the open using the 5 minute chart. Where did my thing go? Oh, there it is. Put it over here. Okay. So here we go. Let's put this down here. Okay. What? Stay here. Stop going. Okay, there we go. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the bar replay right here. Let's zoom in like that. And we're going to press play. So here we go. So we have the range. We have the high and the low right there. And then we're going to press the first bar. Boom. So big, powerful, bullish bar on the first 5 minute candle. Then we're going to go next. Okay. So right there, we have this pausing bar, just waiting, hanging out. And here we go again. now we have an inside bar. So there we go. So this is the first opportunity on the day. We have an inside bar that showed up. So what's actually happening if we look at this in detail? Let me zoom in a little bit more. What's happening if we look at this in detail? Well, we had a double inside bar pattern on the daily chart, and we have an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. So this is the concept that I call fractal trading. So we have a fractal pattern happening here. The higher time frames are showing an inside bar. The lower time frame is showing the inside bar. So what this does is it gives us an opportunity to enter the position. So what we're doing right here is we're going to enter on the inside bar, break down or break above. In this case, it breaks down. So when this inside bar closes, we're watching very patiently to see if it's going to break to the upside, we're going to go long. If it breaks to the downside, we're going to go short. And we can also have stop limit orders on each side. Okay. So what happens here? Next candle comes in. Boom. Oh, all right. So let it play. Boom, 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 boom. Just let it play. All right. Boom. So there we go. So we had this inside bar right here. It came up on the Discord right here. So at 9:40 a.m. Oh, hold on a second, guys. I gotta fix that. That's my vent. One sec. All right, my bad. Technical difficulties. Anyways, yeah. So if we go back into the Discord right here, guys, we go to the daily option picks alert, and then here we go, starting off the day. So we had Hood right there at 9:40. Inside bar came up. So we actually had a lot of inside bars today. Hood, I really liked it a lot because like I said, it was contracting for 2 days. Right there, guys, just taking the puts when we break the low, and then if you miss the inside bar breakdown, then we also have the level breakdown. So here's the trigger. So here was the level that we had drawn from yesterday. So we could have just taken this one too. So very nice and clean and simple trade on Hood. We had that inside bar, boom. And then we also had the level breakdown, boom. Very, very clean. And then from there, guys, it's just really, really nice. We had an afternoon Fibonacci leg, this one from my book right here, this concept. So we come in, we push all the way back up to near the 5382, right in the zone. And then we get the confirmation candle. So we have the confirmation candle, which is a doji, long wick on the top. So this is also confirming there's a lot of short pressure here. You could see it in the candle, and just taking the short below right here. That's another nice winner into the close. So there we go. So I really like Hood today. I think it was very straightforward. Anyone could have made money as long as they came with a plan. And that's why I do the work of scanning every night before so that I can find these picks for you guys ahead of time. Okay? So hit me with a 2 if you guys are cool with Hood. If you understand it, we're all good. So we got another donation here from my brother Vic Patel right here with $1.99 super sticker with the happy mood. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that. All right. Did I say hit me with a 2? Did I say hit me with a 1? I think I'm losing my mind. Okay, there we go. So Hood, again, I really loved it. Really clean, beautiful. And so the topic of today's video is about reversal trading. So with reversal trading, what I want to point out is that especially in uncertain markets and when there's like a lot of news lingering and things like that, we get a lot of reversal trading. And what a reversal trading generally means is that the initial push that happens in the day will be reversed. And one of the ways we can enter a reversal opportunity is when we get these inside bars that set up near the high of the day. Because then we can have a clear entry and a clear stop loss above the high or even above the inside bar, and it gives us an opportunity to trade the reversal style of trading. Okay. So the other way is with the Fibonacci extensions, and we will talk about that in our next ticker. So let's move on. DraftKings. Okay. So here we go. We're going to go back to the daily. We're going to hit the replay button. And right here, guys. So here we go. So DraftKings, beautiful inside bar. Very nice. We knew that there was a little bit of news around DraftKings, and we knew that with this inside bar close, that the option premiums would have taken a hit, and because of that, we're looking to enter into the trade on the 5-minute chart to make some money. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna press the first candle. Boom. All right. So this candle, within the first 5 minutes, this is a winner. because this is the trigger level right here in purple. So you notice how we break that level and squeeze immediately. So right there, that's a good 25% at least on your option plays, but you have to make sure you're using the orders. As soon as it breaks the trigger level, you're going to get filled. And one way to do that is with conditional orders. So there we go. Boom. Then we have an inside bar here. So then here's an inside bar signal. Bam. Okay. So there we go. So you have, like I said, you usually have 2 pushes. So here's the first push, here's the pullback, here's the second push. So right here, when the second push comes in, you have to be a little bit worried, like, do we have much more life in this, or are we going to leave, or are we going to be dead, right? And then just to show you guys, with the DraftKings alert came in right there. Where? 1 second. Might not have came. Oh, there it is. DraftKings inside bar. There we go. So the DraftKings one came in right there, giving you a notification. You could have easily taken this inside bar from here to here. That's a 1-to-1 also. So even if you missed the breakout there, you could take the inside bar. That's a 1-to-1. Those are all good, solid plays. And now to talk about the reversal. So how can we do the reversal? So we spoke about reversal trading yesterday. So what we're going to do, guys, a concept from my book here, Fibonacci. We're going to take the low of the previous day, and we're going to take it to the high of the previous day, and we're going to extend this out. Okay. So let me just bring this down to be right. There we go. All right. And this is exactly what I taught you guys yesterday. And I really hope that some of you paid attention, because I'm really trying to change lives. I'm really trying my best. And I really hope that some of you guys paid attention yesterday. And this is exactly what I said can happen. It happened today. And that just goes to show my commitment and my hard work with you guys, because the shit that I teach you it happens every single day. Every single day. So here we go. We had the projection here. So we took the low to the high, we projected it, and what happens? Well, the algorithm is taking the breakout and it's selling at the 50% extension. And right at the 50% extension, guys, we have this confirmation candle with a long wick showing short pressure, or you can just take a limit order on the 50 like we discussed yesterday. So there we go. After that, I'm going to play this in slow motion. Let's watch it play out. Actually, let me make it a little bit faster. Okay, so we have the rejection here. We come back, we retest. So even if you miss this rejection, you have the second opportunity to retest. And guess what? You have a third opportunity to get into the short as well, because here's another inside bar. And then there we go. We start to roll over. Boom, 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 boom. Just exceptionally beautiful. There are so many opportunities to make money every single day, and I'm giving you guys every single opportunity. Look at this. I teach you guys the trigger method. There's a trigger method. I teach you guys the inside bar. There's the inside bar. The money. There, I teach you guys the Fibonacci extension. Here's the Fibonacci extension. Money. It does not get any better than that. It just doesn't. It's just it just blows my mind sometimes. And this is what motivates me to keep coming back every single day, because I know I have a great message to share with you guys, and I know I can change some people's lives. Okay? So there we go. Done. Okay? So let's do that again. Okay? So here we go. Trigger level, breakout, boom, maybe 30 to 40% on the calls, maybe 50%, right? Then we have the inside bar. So this one is a scalp play. That's still good money. Okay? Here we go. Reversal, 50% extension. Bam. Okay, you miss it. Okay, another try. Okay, you miss it. Inside bar. Boom, boom. Bam. Beautiful. All right. So there we go. So hit me with a 3 if you guys understand DraftKings. Hit me with a 3. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I see the 3s coming through. Boom. All right, let's proceed. So right there on Hood and DraftKings, that's easy money. Both of them are easy money. After that, if you lose on Neo and CGC was the other one, was it? I can't remember now. Let me see. Can't remember if I did CGC yesterday or the day before. Let's see. No, I did gold. Okay, there we go. CGC was on my brother's list. That's why I was confused. Anyways, so let's go on to Neo. Bam. All right. I mean, this looks beautiful already. So let's go to the daily chart. Let's discuss again, as we always do. Hit the market replay. So here we go. Neo, we had an inside bar. And what is the inside bar telling us? Just look in the past, guys. I'm not making shit up. Just look in the past. Here we go. Inside bar, big pop, inside bar, push down, inside bar, fail, inside bar, big pop, inside bar, little pop, inside bar, breakdown, inside bar, breakdown, inside bar, breakdown. All we're doing here is we're playing a numbers game. That's it. We don't know if the inside bar is 100% of the time going to give us a great trade, but we at least know that we can focus on it so that it takes it away. It takes away from us having to chase around the market like headless chickens. Okay, we can focus on stuff because we have a process, right? So we'll go to 5-minute chart. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna hit the first bar. Okay, oops. All right, so there we go. First bar, clean break of the level and a little bit of a retest. Like right there again, that's a winner. That's a winner. Here's the level. We break it right away. That's maybe 25, 30% easily on that candle. So that's a winner right there. Done. And then what did I say? We just talked about it. Let's project. Let's use the Fibonacci to help us project to see where we can have a reversal coming in. So 930, boom. Okay, right there. So it's also important to use the Fibonacci's, the extensions, to help you scale out. Okay, so if you're taking the trigger right here, you have these extensions here to guide you and help you scale out, right? So here we go. Boom. If this is the high of the day right there, I'm just turning off the stream right now because that's another 50% rejection. Again, I just did it. I literally just did. I just said that 50% extension of the range of the previous day. Look at this rejection here. If this is the high of the day, I'm turning off the stream. So let's see what happens. Let's play it out. Okay. So immediate rejection, breakdown, boom, boom, boom. Puts making money. Okay. And notice how we tagged the 50 right there and we stall a little bit, right? Because the algorithm is still trying to get in. But at this point, the game is over, right? That's why I don't play picks later in the day. I need the first few opportunities because that's where the most volume is. That's where the most highly probable opportunities are. I mean, I don't even need to say anything anymore. Like my work speaks for itself. It's just insane. I don't understand how traders can trade like other traders can trade without using some of these things like Fibonacci. I don't know because I just see it all the time and it's so accurate. It's just crazy. Just beautiful. All right, so we're just going to fast forward there. So here we go. So what do we have? Just to summarize, we had the level breakout. Okay, and then we also had an opening range breakout here. That opening range breakout still gave you a 1-to-1. That's good money. And then here we have the extension. And with the extension here, we can clearly see the candle rejection. So we can just enter right there with this candle and then just a beautiful, beautiful drop down. So it just, man, just impressive, immaculate. Just love it. So hit me with a 4 if we understand Neo. I usually don't trade after 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Eastern. I'm okay to trade anytime before that. But it depends on how many plays I get in a name. If I get 2 or 3 plays, I'm going to be moving on after that. I don't overstay my welcome. I'm on a hit and run strategy. Okay, beautiful. Let's go on now to the last one was gold. GOLD. Eric Gold. I don't trade this one too often, but I like this one right here specifically because of the location of the inside bar. So I'm gonna hit the replay. Boom. Okay. So what I liked about gold was that we actually gapped down. See this? So this is why I wrote here, gap and trap. That's why I wrote that down because we had a big gap down and then we paused a little bit and we had an inside bar. So what this is telling me right here is that this is decision time now. Because we gapped down and we started to get bought up, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen if we break this low? Okay, what do you think is going to happen if we break this low? There's going to be many, many bulls. You can look at the candle here. You don't need order flow. You don't need anything. Just look at the candle right there. Do you see this long wick? You see this long wick right there? This is buying pressure. There's bulls in here. So what do you think is going to happen if this day here we come and we break through? These stop losses here are going to be flushed, combined with the fact that we had this big gap down. Do you guys understand that? Hit me with a 1 if you're following me on that. Hit me with a 1. So we have a big gap down. We have bulls stepping in. And then we have an inside day, and they're now scared. They're now wondering, oh my God, I bought here. Is this a safe place to be? You know? So let's see what happens in the intraday. So we go down to the 5-minute. So we know the thesis from the chart. Now we have to look for an entry. So boom, first 5-minute breaks the trigger and reverses. Okay? So depends on your stop loss, how you want to play it. You could have been stopped out here. That's totally fine. Right? If you're doing 100% risk, then you'll still be in it, basically. But if not, you take a stop loss, that's totally fine. So continue. Now we have an inside bar. So this is the second trading opportunity on the day. And this inside bar is very interesting because we're actually hugging this trigger again. So let's see what happens from here. Oh, double inside bar. Interesting. Boom. That's it. That's it right there. That is just magnificent. Do you guys agree with me? Wow. Now let's look at this. And then we can see it here. You can see it right here. Back to back. Gold, gold in the Discord. Gold inside bar, gold inside bar. So that's a double. Right? That's a back to back. Boom, boom. Right? So all we got to do right there, we have the double inside bar right there. We take the breakdown of the bar, right? It breaks down, right? And then let's continue to just play the rest of the day. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we break down, clean through the break. We have, oh my, wait. You guys see this? Tell me what you guys see right now. What do you guys see right now? Tell me what you guys see. I want to see if you've seen it, if you see it. What do you guys, can you guys see it? Let me know. What did I just see? Comment. Let's get the comments up. Let's get the party started. What do you guys see? 2 double inside bars. And that is very rare to have within basically an hour. And look at that. Look at this. Double inside bar, breakdown, winner. Double inside bar, breakdown, winner. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? I'm teaching you this for free. Just imagine that for a second. That's insane. All right, let's keep going. Okay. You know, so basically like after the first leg and then the second leg, I would probably be just getting out somewhere here. At least the majority of my position and holding some on. Right? And then that's pretty much it, guys. So that's why I say, like, look at you see how we have the big moves in the open? That's where you want to be. Right? And this one, I believe, just goes into the end of the day. Wow. Just beautiful. I mean, if you took the puts right there, guys, with that double inside bar, and you just sat in that all day, my God, what a beautiful, beautiful day. Just beautiful, guys. And look at my indicators, guys. Look at this. I'm sharing with you guys for free my indicators. Look at it. It just gives it to you for free. It highlights it for you so you can take the plays according to how you want to take them, right? And then someone asked me about this. So in Discord, I added this section, free indicators and more. It has my free golden indicators for TradingView, and then also has the free one for Thinkorswim. So since the Twitter sometimes is a little bit weird to find tweets, so just come into the free Discord right here. The link is in the description. Come and read through the free indicator and more section. There's a lot in here that I'm giving you guys, all the videos you can watch. There's some guidelines here for you to read. Here are the indicators to add. Here are my discount codes. A lot of people ask me about that. So it's all here. Okay. Beautiful. And there we go, guys. I mean, just an amazing day. I think probably this was probably the one of the best days that I've had for the year, in terms of just how clean these picks were. Every single pick was clean today. Every single one was clean today, and it was just it's just amazing. Really happy that I'm making so much progress. And when you have a good day like this, you don't you just need to be defensive for the rest of the week, because great days where you win every single play, let's say, doesn't happen often. So when it when it does happen, you have to just take it, enjoy it, protect your capital for the rest of the week. Okay. Someone DM me and asked me about this, so I'm just gonna show you here. Someone was having trouble, like they don't know how to sign up. So all you gotta do, guys, tradingwars.com. My honest opinion is just get the book. Okay, get the book because you get 1 month for free in the room and the Discord. I think that's the best way to do it, because I'm still doing that promotion, and you get the book, which is going to help educate you on all the Fibonacci's. Or you can come right here to the private swing room. This private swing room now has my alerts that you see, Rich Alert Bot for the day trades. It has premium alerts, notification on Twitter and Discord. And then if you want to subscribe, all you have to do right there is hit subscribe. Okay. So that's for my friend that was asking me earlier today on how do you subscribe. Okay. All right. So here we go. So we got a donation here from my brother Victor with the $1. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate that. All right. And I didn't want to talk too much today, because I noticed that when I go over an hour or whatever, people just drop off, and I don't want to waste your guys' time. I know your time is valuable to you. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to look at some of the picks for tomorrow, and then I'm going to wrap up the stream. Okay? So here we go. So what I have on the list, I have Uber, nice little inside bar. I have Sophie, right? Sophie is not an inside bar, but it's actually a tweezer bottom, which is very, very, very interesting. So let's look at the inside. Let's look at this. So Sophie, the low of the previous day was 1656, and the low today was 1656. So that is a very rare pattern here. And let's look on the chart and we can actually see it together. So here's the low of the previous day, which is right here at 1656, and here is the low today, 1656. So that's very neat. Those tweezer patterns are rare, very, very rare. So obviously you could see that some algo is buying there, right? Some algo is buying there at 1656, and we can just see it on the chart. So that's very, very, very amazing. So here we go to Square. Square is wanting to go higher or lower. It's just wanting to do something. It's been building energy for the last 3 days, and I think tomorrow we'll probably have a conclusion. So we have the Holy Grail pattern on Square for tomorrow. As a lot of you guys know, I'm already long in this. I have calls and shares. So hopefully it goes higher for me. But if not, it's okay. I already made some money, and I'll just get out at break even. So I'm okay with that. Let's see what happens with Square. Square is really nice also because it's pressed up against a previous all-time high, which is very, very potential for fireworks. Okay. And Roblox, nice little inside bar after a big bullish day. So we had a nice pause after a big bullish day. So those usually are lead to great trading opportunities, like this one, for example, right? Big bullish bar, pause, and then we actually had a second day of pause, and then we had this big breakdown. So just looking for those opportunities, and continue to go from there. All right. So there we go, guys. In terms of the reversal trading, you have to really get an understanding of the Fibonacci and the impulsive legs, which I go through in a lot of detail in my book. The Fibonacci is really, really important, very underrated. and I really want you guys to learn it. You watch my videos on Fibonacci. I have a whole playlist on it, and just continue to educate and push yourself to make money. All right. And my vent is going off again. Hold on one sec. All right. So let's take a few questions here, and then I'm gonna shut the stream off. So go ahead and ask questions. Let's take 2 or 3 questions, and then we will wrap up this call, and we will get some rest, and then be ready for the market tomorrow. So, what questions do you guys have for me? Let's see. I'm gonna go and check it out on the YouTube right now. Question. How would you play Sophie tomorrow? So, you seen Eunice Kim? I suggest you watch the video called "Drilling Down for Entries," where we break down all of the ways that we can enter these trades. But essentially, we're going to use the 5 minute chart, and we're going to be using either the trigger breakout method, or we're going to use the drill down method. In the drill down method, what we're going to use is the opening range breakout, the inside bars, or we're going to use Fibonacci. So there's many ways to enter. It depends on which one you're comfortable with. And what I suggest to new traders is learn one style first, and then just consistently apply that for 100 trades. Okay. What else do we have? Thoughts on Moderna? I mean, I've been in Moderna for a long time, and I'm just enjoying the ride. So nothing for me to do really. I don't chase anything. So with Moderna, we entered right here in the private swing room on the Holy Grail, and we've just been enjoying it, you know. So pretty much for me, I've already paid myself on this trade, and now I'm gonna hold the rest of my position forever. Basically, I just want to be a part of it for as long as it can go. So, I don't like chasing things when they are up in no man's land. I prefer to be the type of trader to come tag these earlier on with my patterns. Okay. How do you watch 3 to 5 charts on the first 5 minute at the same time? So what you could do, Andrea, you could use a split screen feature. So you could do something like that, and then you can have your chart set up here, 1, 2, and 3. Then put your 5 minute, go to your 5 minute, 5 minute time frame, and then that way you can kind of watch all of them at the same time. So I like doing that. I also like just relying on the alerts that come through the channel. So then that way I can focus. When I get an alert, I can turn over to the name. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you so much for your time. And I don't think I'll be doing a stream tomorrow. I'm going to be a little bit busy, but we'll try to get back in for the rest of the week. Try to get you guys another one later on in the week. But you know what, guys? The last thing I want to say is just keep doing your best out there, and the more effort you put into this, the more time you have, the more experience you put behind the charts, the better you're gonna be. And it's just like every other thing in life, guys. If you plant a seed, it takes time to grow. If you plant a seed, how long does a farmer have to wait before he can reap the harvest? You see what I'm saying, guys? So that should be your mindset when you're trading. Is every day you're trading the market, you're taking opportunities, you're planting seeds, you're planting those seeds, and you have to water the seed, you have to give it sunlight, you got to do all that, and then when the harvest comes, you can reap the harvest. But you can't reap the harvest without planting the seed. So just have the right mindset going into this, guys, and you're gonna succeed. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care.